There it is. I'll tell you what, it smells good. Got some kind of sauce in there. I'll tell you what that is in a minute. Yeah, looks alright. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm at Central Changwatana. The pollution is really bad today, so I'm not going to go outside. We're going to go inside and eat something different. So we're going to go in here today, and on the menu they have pizza. I've never used to have pizza before, so we're going to have a pizza today. We're not having a salad bar, that costs extra. So, yeah. Don't know if you're picking that up, but that is all smog. Smog and Tongtani right over there. There we go. Doesn't look as bad as what it was in the morning. So anyway, take a look at this menu. Okay, so the pizza's come in at $159. She said $159. Let's have a look. Yeah, $159. I don't know if it's a small pizza or a big pizza. We'll find out in a minute anyway. So she said that if you want to eat the salad bar, that is $199. But yeah, it's a bit too much today. Yeah, this pizza is enough, I reckon. If I'm still hungry, we'll go for a walk somewhere else and get some more food. I ain't going outside today because of the pollution. So I was walking around earlier, and this pollution, you could really smell it. And yeah, I had to go from a train. I felt out of breath, you know, sore throat. That was awful. We need some rain, I think, get rid of it. So this mall is pretty empty today. I guess everybody's just staying at home with the air purifiers on, I guess. Don't blame them. So what I'll do, I'll try and have a look at the salad bar. Hey, look at this. Tell you what, I'm absolutely starving. I should have ordered a steak. There's a salad bar. I don't want to film too much in here because I got told off last time. The manager came out shaking his finger. That was when I was at Changwatana. No, Central Westgate that happened. Quite funny actually. So yeah, when I saw the pizza on the menu, I was I'm going to have to give it a go. $159 for a salami pizza. Let's hope it's good. So these trains come along every 10 minutes. So I've been here, and this is the second train now. Let's hope this pizza arrives before the next train does. So this guy is just following the trolley around. It'd be easier if he just carried it here. Oh, here's my pizza, look. There it is. I'll tell you what, it smells good. Got some kind of sauce in there. I'll tell you what that is in a minute. Yeah, looks alright. It's salami. Salami smells nice. You're getting that. Right, need a knife and a fork. I'll try that sauce first. Tomato. Looks brown. No idea what that sauce is. Anyway, I need to cut this. Not the biggest pizza, but for the price. That was really nice. That was really, really good. Bit of sauce. Yeah. Guessing that's a bit of rocket. Yeah, I like that. Could probably eat two. The pizza sauce, that was really nice. That was really good. Yeah. This is probably a 9 out of 10. So, would I have this again? Yes, definitely. I think it's a really good deal. That's a tasty pizza, right? I don't know how long we're going to be doing these pizzas for, but yeah, if you get the chance, come and check it out. Pizza sauce like a bolognese sauce. Lovely. You've got garlic on there too. Salami. Go crack on with this, and I'll see you in a minute. Just like that, it's all gone. I'll tell you what, that was alright, that. Yeah, I could eat two, I reckon. I'll definitely be back again for that. That was spot on, that. How about that? That was alright, actually. I thought it was going to be a bit of a rip-off, but no, that was actually quite nice. Right, anyway, guys, I'm going to shoot off now. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Adios, amigos.